There's a new type of targeting on Facebook ads. Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. So a lot of advertisers, they're moving towards a new type of targeting. And basically they just have two campaigns. One is broad, meaning that there's actually completely broad. They're not targeting any interest groups. They may be targeting certain countries, but otherwise it's completely no interest groups, no age, no gender, because Facebook's algorithm is so strong and so great at finding the right type of people to buy your product or become a lead. And the second campaign is an Advantage Plus audience, because that actually works like a retargeting audience. So you don't need any retargeting audience, really, because what retargeting audience is, Facebook says that it is targeting people who have shown a specific interest in your business. And that's the same thing like with targeting audiences, because people who have shown a specific interest in your group, in your business, that's people like people who visited your website, or people who is following you on different social media, and people who took some kind of action, who have been watching your ads before. So that is the same thing as retargeting. So you just need those two campaigns, and the way you're really targeting your people, the way you're finding who your clients and your customers are, is through having the right kind of creative, meaning the video or the picture that people see. That's the most important part of your Facebook ads, that and your offer. So with the right type of creative, you are messaging people, or you are resonating with the type of people who you want to target. So if you want to target business people, then you want to show something that resonates with business people. If you want to target moms, then you want to show something that resonates with moms. If you want to target people who want to become more fit, then you want to make an ad that showcases people who become more fit, and then also people in the certain age category, and people who you know is your ideal clients. Show those people in your ad, and that's how you target your specific client and the customer, rather than doing it through Facebook's ad targeting, because Facebook will find the people just through the creative, even if you have broad targeting. So hope this helps. Comment below if you have any questions, and give me a like if you like it, subscribe for more. And if you want us to help you get clients, if you're a coach or consultant, then we actually specialize in getting clients for coaches and consultants. Right now we have an offer where you only pay us when you get a paying client, but we're not going to have this offer for long. So book a call with me right now. There's a link in the description to learn more about it. And also there's some free downloads. There's a free Facebook ad template for coaches and consultants. If you want to run your own Facebook ads, go ahead and download that, and you can follow that. And we have a free ebook, Mastering Social Media Strategies for Coaches and Consultants. Go ahead and download that. That's more about organic marketing. And also join our Facebook group. There's also a link in the description for that, where you can get more tips from me and other marketers. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.